I have noticed that behind every laser system there's one of these devices. And I was asking myself, what is this exactly and what is it used for? Björn is going to help me out.
Yes, that's our cooling system, our cooling unit. And we need that to take away the heat from the laser source itself to make sure that it's not overheating. So the cooling unit is pumping cool water into the laser source. The water takes away the heat and runs back into the cooling unit, which is cooling it again down to a certain temperature, and the chilled water goes back into the laser, so it's a closed circuit. And inside the device we have our water pump, we have the water tank, and some parts of the heat exchange system. And how it is connected to the laser source, I can show you on the other side.
Yeah, sure.
So the water hoses with the cooling water, they come up here and then they run all the way to the laser source itself. And on the connectors we have one side is the water in, this is the cool water, and then the other side is the water out. So the heated up water runs back same way, and that's basically all.
Makes sense. Thank you.
No problem, you're welcome.
See you.
See you.